Hello and welcome back to Ogu Secret Forest. Let's get back to it. I think when we first left off, it didn't save? What? Yo, hold on a minute. Yo, what is this scam? I'm pretty sure I saved my data. What the heck? Oh wait, I think I already did. Yeah, okay. Come on, bring my stuff quickly. Okay, never mind. Oh. Die. Hopefully I did like better attacks the more I play this game. Is there any more? Oh, there's treasure. You hear a device activate somewhere. Okay. Device activated. Now we... Oh, it's that. So I'm assuming the other one's over here. Oh. Interesting. Wait. Am I supposed to move? Hold on, let's try to... Can't move, nothing else? Oh, what? Okay. Wait, did I mess up? I think... Okay, wait. Okay. Might have cheated slightly, but... Another life, let's go. Yeah, okay. Let's go. I might have cheated a bit, but that's fine. You hear a device activate somewhere. I think the front is open now. Yay! Quick slots. You can map your equipment or consumables to a quick slot in the inventory to use them directly without opening the menu. That's cool. Cleansing bubble. Alright, that's cool. So where can I put them? Oh, quick slot space. Oh, okay. That's cool. Hold on, can we read that? We can. Caution! Important things are stored in the room beyond. Authorized monkeys only. What am I actually? I'm like... Wait, duck face and beaver tail. I'm a platypus, right? I'm like an albino platypus. Oh, let me through. Oh. What is that? Oh! It's my first boss battle. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Ow. Ah! I forgot my settings. One more hit. Let's go. Wait, can I just... Let's go! I'm actually good at this game. Whoa. Whoa. What's that? How dare you try to steal our treasure, he said. Hey, step aside, I can't see anything. Yo, he's tiny! Have you checked the pockets as well? No, they took my feather. Guess this guy wasn't just a common thief. There's an old saying. Oh, Moon Knight powers. The one with the glowing feather shall reunite the lost pieces and restore what has been overflown. Overflown? I don't know where you found that glowing feather, but let me put you to a test. Overcome the trials at the Temple of the Sun and bring me the signal of the sun. The sigil? The Seagull. Alright. Find the seagull. Bet. Alright. Draw. Oh! Very nice. Very nice. Yo! This guy was lying to me. Yo, this man was setting me up, bro. This white bird lied to me. I was interested in learning the traditional dance of the monkey village? Sure. I'm the creator of that well-known monkey dance. Let me teach you the dance. Now look closely and follow my moves. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Oh, I did it! Yo! Better. Oh, let's go. Cutscenes for this! Hopefully my webcam didn't just block that.
Stupid!
Hold down the button Q to dance. When you dance, you can replenish up to half your max health. Okay. But what is this? Leo, have you seen a lizard that looks like me? No. I have lost my brother on our way to this monkey village. He might have lost his way since he has no sense of direction. Zoro! Tell me if you see a lizard that looks like me. Find my twin brother. Okay. Welcome to the village of the sun. In the center of the village, there is the village chieftain's office. You can buy masks and various kinds of items in the Eastern Shopping District. I'll have to check that. Is that... Yeah, that's the guy from Scream over there. You can meet the soldiers in the training grounds in the southwest. And don't forget to check out the wonderful scenery at the Western Observatory. If you head north, you can go to the Temple of the Sun. Okay, now let's try not to get sidetracked. Let's just get to there. Let's get over there. I can't find my way. There is an art thing though, so I'm gonna draw this. Oh, what is this? I know one of those beetle guys. There are bug people living over there. What? Wait, can I... Oh. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be important, like, in the future. Oh, we can see Motesi. I don't know why that guy's spying on him though. That's kind of weird. Oh, somebody has to talk to this guy. Are you on your way to the Temple of the Fire to prove yourself? Fire? Be careful. You can get severe injuries since it's a place to prove heroes' might. By the way, have you learned the monkey dance yet? Yeah, I have. If you do the monkey dance, you can restore your HP, but only to restore up to half of your maximum health. However, if you're in excited status, you can restore up to maximum. You can always stay excited when you're inside the village, or you can eat cooked dishes to be excited. Here, I'll give you some delicious cooked fishes. Yo, bet. Unfortunately, there isn't anyone who can teach you how to cook in the monkey village. So how are you... What? How... What? You guys cook, but you don't know how to teach it. Okay. Monkey Records 1. Luxury and pleasance. Having too much is no better than none. Makes sense. I know that from real life. Monkey Records 2. The balance is shattered and we repent. Oh, so you had too much fun? Is that what you're being said? Is that what you're saying? What is this over here? Monkey Records 3. We meditate and wait, for the pure one shall bring harmony. Okay. A lot of pressure. Monkey Records 4. One that bears wisdom and might. Overcome the trial and prove thine right. Okay, so I have to prove myself, I assume. Oh, there we go, cutscene. Look at me, walking happily. No care in the world. Such an innocent smile. It's the same thing we did before. Oh wait, as you perform your critical hit charges. What? Okay. Let's go here. What? Yo. That was a big guy. Ooh. Dubs, more health. I don't think I can get through. Other side. Oh, whoa, I have to fight these guys again? That's fine. Easy, easy. Oh, what is that? Cloth. Why did they have cloth? Kinda confusing, but it's alright. Huh. Anything hiding in here? Nope. Oh, whoa. What is this? I feel like this is a clue. Okay. I guess this must be it. Oh, okay, I think I know. Math. It's math. Okay. Okay. There's two. This is heavier. So let's put this over here for now. This one's also heavier. Heaviest. Wait. Is it just the order that they gave us? No way. That'd be really lucky. Please? No. Okay, what are these? I think it's these two that need to be compared. This one's heavier. Okay, that's not what I expected. Okay, in that case, they have to swap. Yay! Let's go! Math, big brains. That's what I live for, bro. You hear a device activated somewhere. Yep, okay. Let's keep going. What is that? Oh, it's the... There's two now? Whoa! That was too close. Oh, why are you hurting me? That's too much, that's too much. No! Unfair! And die. Ow. Ah! Man. Annoying me, bro. Time to draw. I'm assuming this is related to the puzzle. Wait. Green. Yes! Okay. It's easy. It's really simple. Okay. And then blue. Surely. Let's go! Intelligent. I'm speedrunning through this. Here's something to activate. Out of my way. Give me that money. What's underneath me? Wait. What is that? I don't recognize that. I could low-key be stupid. It's a catapult! Oh, wait. I'm 100% sure it's like we have to hit that. Yes! Okay. Bring it forward. Oh. Wait, did I mess up? I might have messed up.
Stupid!
Okay. Let's do this again. Perfect. Okay. But one more, I think. One more. This was the map from before. Okay. I need to fight those guys again. I do. Not fun. I eat so cute, bro. Oh, it's over there. Whoa! Oh, not enough time. Oh, they're coming in. I couldn't read that description. They're coming in way too close. Die. Oh, wait. They change. Boy. I think I know what I have to do. This... No. Wait, was it... Wait. It was the farthest that was covering the mouth. And was it... like this? Yes! Yes! It's from the beginning! I remember. Let's go. What are these monkeys doing up there? A portal. Before an important battle begins, a portal nearby. Oh, it's a boss fight. You know what? I'm not going. I'm not going in that portal. No, go straight for it. Oh. I don't feel safe anymore. Monkey statue of trial? What the? Ow! No, why? Yeah. Thank you. No, that's not fair. Why are you moving? Whoa! Ah! You're doing too much. It's already there. Ah! Oh! Ah! Let's go! Outsmarted that thing. Ow! 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 It keeps hitting me. I didn't lose any damage from it though. I hate you, bro. Oh, the seagull. Wow, it's beautiful. The seagull! The seagull!